Let's look at how to pronounce bouquet or bouquet. Both of these pronunciations are correct. Bouquet is more common in the UK, and both bouquet and bouquet are used in the US, so you can use either one if you're trying to speak US English. To break it down, we have first syllable stress, and the first vowel, again, is either the oo sound, like in new or boom, or the o sound, like in bow or no. You can use a matching word to help you remember, no bouquet or new bouquet. And then the letters QU say the k sound in English, and then the ET says the A diphthong, just like in say or day. So the second syllable is the same in both pronunciations of bouquet or bouquet. Make sure you practice using this word in some short phrases so it feels natural to you. You can use matching vowels, like there was no bouquet at the wedding. She had a new bouquet each day. Whatever will help you to remember and visualize the spelling of this word to be able to say it accurately and naturally when you go to use it in speech. I hope that this helped you with bouquet pronunciation, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.